Dear students, see the next question from class 11, unit and measurement chapter, Ncert exercise problem 2.7. Okay, listen. Um, if you observe some question, while reading the question, we feel maybe this question is somewhat difficult. Um, that question lies this much, so maybe it is somewhat critical question. Like that, some students will feel. Okay. Okay, so that's not true. Okay, so it is one of the proof for that. Okay, see the question. See that a student measure the thickness of the human hair. Okay, by looking at it through a microscope of magnification 100. Okay, he makes 20 observations and find that average width of the hair in the field of view of the microscope is 3.5 millimeter. Okay. So what is the estimate on the thickness of the hair? Okay. சரி ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் என்ன பண்றாரு ஒரு ஹேர் எடுத்து ஓகே with the hair வச்சுக்கோம் okay the chart is the hair so he want to measure the thickness of the hair by using the microscope okay but you know very well if you measure the thickness of the hair or otherwise anything any thickness of the wire or anything okay we will not finalize with one reading okay nearly at least minimum 10 reading the more than 20 or 30 reading we are going to measure then finally we can take the average okay even say for example take this chart piece also I want to measure that diameter see that it's not uniform here somewhat minor changes is there so with one reading it is not possible it is not accurate value okay say for example I can measure half millimeter first reading suppose second reading I measured as 2 millimeter it is absolutely wrong suppose first reading 0.5 I mean there is okay half millimeter okay second reading 0.51 millimeter third reading 0.49 millimeter that is acceptable one so like that I can measure the thickness of the hair so 20 reading there is a 20 observation I'll take 20 reading okay first reading second reading third reading so like the 20 reading I observe okay so that average value would be 3.5 millimeter with magnification so maybe the first reading 3.51 millimeter second reading 3.5 millimeter third reading 3.52 millimeter then fourth reading maybe 3.49 millimeter like that okay so finally that average value would be 3.5 millimeter okay so what is the estimate of the thickness of the actual thickness of the hair is what this magnification value only given okay see the solution ஒன்றும் கிடையாது ரொம்ப simple அப்போ இதுதான் hair so he observed the reading 20 times okay 20 times with the magnification so magnification is given how much time the magnification 100 times அப்போ say for example இது 1 millimeter னா reading எப்படி தெரியும் 100 millimeter னு தெரியும் because 100 times magnified okay அப்போ actual value was 1 millimeter like that here magnified value is 3.5 millimeter okay so original value 100 times small so that 3.5 divided by 100 answer okay so we can write properly so actually the magnification equal to yes that is observed value okay that is observed reading divided by actual value okay observed reading divided by that actual value okay So that actual value. So here they are asking actual value only. So simply I can write as this is a y divided by x. That's what x value I need. Okay. So in this question, so magnification is equal to observed reading divided by actual reading. Actual value only asking. Therefore, actual value is equal to y divided by magnification. That's all. So y value, okay, from that observation, the final reading, the average value, that is 3.5 millimeter, then divide by magnification. Actually, it is half. Comparing with the actual value, the how much time magnified? 100 times maximum. So divide by 100. So we can get x is equal to 0.035, 2 decimal back, 0.035 millimeter. Okay, so actually this is actual hair of, actual thickness of the hair, that means the diameter. Diameter of the hair, thickness of the hair is 0.035 millimeter. If it is 100 times magnified means that is 3.5 millimeter. Okay, thank you.